Hello everyone, this is Alexander Best here with the first C++ programming language tutorial. In this video we're going to walk you through how we're going to download the free IDE and compiler that we've decided to provide for you on the website. Now before we get started, I just thought I should clear the air and tell any beginners in the C++ language what C++ is in the first place. C++ is a programming language that is used mainly to create computer programs and video games. So if there's any video game fanatics out there, this would probably be the best thing to do, is learn how to write C++. Now, what we're going to do, we're going to download an IDE and a compiler. Basically, what an IDE is an IDE is what allows us to write the C++ code. And a compiler is basically a translator. It translates language that we, the user, can understand to something that the computer can understand. In other words, it translates our language to binary, seeing that the computer only understands language in the form of zeros and ones, which is binary code. Okay, what you're first going to do, you're going to click on the link that's on the website, and it should take you to this. It should take you to this website. Now from here, as you can see, this is CodeBlocks. The good thing about CodeBlocks is that it's a built-in IDE and compiler. So just for you beginners out there, if you're wondering, oh, where should I go to get this IDE or compiler? It's okay. We've decided to, provide you with a program that already has everything built in for you, which should make everything easy. Now, once you click on that link on the website, on the tutorial website, it will bring you to this site. And what you need to do here is scroll down and choose whatever operating system you're working on. Some of you may be on Macs, others may be on Windows. Seeing that more than likely most people are going to be on Windows, I'm going to structure the tutorial around the Windows download. But the Mac way should be no different once you click on the link. Anyway, what you want to make sure you do is that you click on this MWin setup. Basically, the reason why you want to click on MW is because the MW provides the GCC compiler as well, not just the IDE. This only provides the IDE, this provides the GCC compiler as well. Once you click on one of these, it will download the zip file for you. You open it up and you take it through the installation. I'm pretty certain that even though you're beginners of C++, I'm pretty certain that you'll know how to install the program, so I won't waste time with trying to go through that. Once you've installed the program, you're going to end up with a little symbol just like this, CodeBlocks. It may be on your desktop, it might be in the start menu. Anyway, once you open up CodeBlocks, it will come up with this. The first thing that we want to do is create a new project. Next, we want to click on the console application. The console application is basically just a normal program. Once you click on it, double click on it, or take you through the console application wizard. You can just click next. You want to definitely make sure that you pick C++. C is a completely different programming language, and anything that you try to write from these tutorials will not work if you choose C. So make sure you choose C++. We'll click next, and then you go on the project title. You can call it whatever you want. Just for the sake of the tutorial, I shall call it tutorial. Next, you want to make sure that your compiler is the GNU GCC compiler. Even though most of the time when you go on CodeBlocks, everything will be default, it should already be set up. This is just to make sure in case. Next, you want to click on finish. Now, you're probably thinking I've clicked finish, but nothing's popped up. Where is everything? Well, if you go to the management sidebar here, you'll see that anything that you make is automatically put in a file for you, so it's for easy access. Now if you click on main, this is what is brought up. This basically here is a small program that we're going to go through in the next video, but this marks the end of the installation for CodeBlocks. So I hope that this was easy to go through. If not, you can always rewind and pause at things that you found difficult, and once you've done this, you can move on to the next video.